Today I am going to show you how to access MS Excel file in Tableau software. Now just you need to click on Microsoft Excel. Then you need to select a location in your PC where you have stored your file. Now today we are going to work on sample superstore database. I open it. Now whenever we open Excel file in Tableau, here it shows how many sheets we have in that particular Excel file. Here we have three sheets: orders, people, and returns. Now, dear students, please show the original Excel file. In this particular Excel file, we have total three sheets: orders, return, and people. But the most important thing in Tableau is we need to merge data. So first we need to identify a key which is common in all three sheets. Now if you see the first sheet orders, and if you see the categories, then check the returns, see the category, column name. Now here order ID is common in both. Here we have one column order ID in sheet also, and we have order ID in order sheet also. So we can connect both sheets by using order ID key. Now if we talk about the people, now here the common column or common key is a region. So by using a region, we can connect both.